Welcome back to the studio. Ryan, aka One Happy Camper. And for one simple reason, let's say 6,000 simple reasons. I don't think you're that simple. We are all complicated individuals, are we not? I know I am. But yes, 6,000 strong in the BloodShot army. Man, I'm at a loss for words. I don't even... Take that, high school guidance counselor. Yes. My airbrush wielding warriors. We are growing. The army is only getting stronger by the day. The comments are amazing. I see others helping others, which is beautiful. It's what this whole thing is all about. It's not just about me giving you guys info. There's info coming in from you guys right back and across the wire, every which way. And this makes me a happy dude. Let me tell ya. Surpassed my wildest dreams, but now that we're here, it seems like it's meant to be. And you can't mess with fate. You just can't mess with fate. Alright guys, so you know what time it is. Another 500. Jumping on board, on deck in the BloodShot army. So, roll call, sticker, giveaway, contest, extravaganza. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what brings you to this channel. If there's something in particular that you're struggling with, that you'd like to learn, that you'd like to see a video about, hit me up in the comments. Let me know where you're from. I want to see how far this army has grown, how far my grasp has reached into this whole wide world of information that is known as the interweb. And, in 24 hours, check back in the comment section under the BloodShot comment and see if you are indeed a winner. 5 lucky winners will be chosen at random, and we're still missing 3 from the 5,500 roll call giveaway. So buzz back there and check that comment to see if your name is amongst the 10 winners back when. The other 7 of you guys will get those stickers flying off pronto. I think you've waited long enough. And, I guess it's update time. So, a lot of you guys have been asking, Ryan, what's going on with the camera? Well, I may have jumped the gun on the whole new camera scenario. I think the first step is going to be a new PC. I got a buddy of mine who's got one that we can probably work with. My PC up in the mezzanine is memory logged, memory jammed. That thing is ancient. Still running, I think, Windows XP on it, which is like pretty much non-existent in the rest of the world. Yeah, I'm a dinosaur. I know. I don't transition very quickly, and I'm starting to learn that there's some definite drawbacks to that. But we're gonna get this going, a PC, so I can get some proper editing software and start editing this stuff on the computer. I love doing it on the phone. It's handy. I can do it anywhere I go. I've got everything right there, super accessible, but it's not the most professional. Not that I will ever get to be such, but we'd like to tweak it a little bit more. Cameras, I've been kind of kicking around the idea of, again, I'm a starving artist. I ain't rich by any stretch of the imagination. So I want to do this cost effective. I want it to be efficient. An idea that I'm kicking around is actually possibly some high definition security cameras that can be mounted. I've got lots of areas to mount some cameras, and they can stay there. The nice thing about the security setup is it's all linked into one, so it's easy for editing, and you can get some pretty high quality cameras nowadays. Kind of what I'm thinking of as far as the camera. For now, the ideas are constantly evolving, constantly changing. We'll still always have the one-on-one of me talking with a camera in my hand because it's part of who I am. And I guess that's kind of the whole down low on that. There's no rush. I'm very much just a go-with-the-flow kind of individual. So all in good time. It's working for now, so we'll just keep rolling with it. However, something that I have been working on, I mentioned a little while back, me and my bro over at Lucky You Design, my digital graphics master, my good buddy Chad, we've been working on some new t-shirt designs. So, unveiling the brand new BloodShot, one-of-a-kind Air Force. I figured we've taken over this planet by land. It's time to take to the skies. And if you'd like to get your hands on one of these, in the next few weeks we'll get all that updated on the Spreadshirt page. You can trickle on over there and snatch one up for yourself. I thought it was a great play on words. Airbrush, Air Force, and my airbrush wielding warriors. Like I said, they are not a simple breed. We come in all shapes and forms. And some of us are high flyers. And I'm just going to keep the idea simple for now. There will come a day when we'll get some more complicated airbrush ideas onto some t-shirts. But for now, I've just got the odd project that I actually own the rights to. Every project I paint is now the client's, and I can't be producing that image on a t-shirt to be selling to you guys if it's owned by a client on their motorcycle, helmet, car. And I think you guys understand. You'd probably feel the same if it was yours. But there will come a time where we'll get some t-shirts with some gnarly, gnarly images on it, not just simple graphics. But that'll be down the road. And speaking of projects, yeah, this one's been kicking around for a while. You guys might recognize it. It's been in the studio, well, ever since this studio was built. It came from the last studio. Been around for a while. My time schedule and his have been a little bit conflicting, but we're gonna get this one done. It's gotta get done. It's gotta get done. It's been around, kicking around for far too long. And I know you guys are probably asking, and I'm gonna say sorry, no tutorial on this one, guys. I just gotta focus on getting that artwork done, and I can't be worried about recording. Not on this one, but we will get some True Fire in the beginner series. We will get that rolling. A lot of you guys have been asking. I love painting the True Fire, so we will definitely get my version of. I tend to do it a little differently than I've seen the others do it, and you know what? That's the beautiful thing about art. There is no right or wrong. It's just whatever works for you. Oh yeah. And as well, in the beginner series, I think for the very next video, we're going to talk about some cleaning of the airbrush. I got a new needle nozzle that got to be installed into one of them, so you guys may as well come along for that little journey. But I'm going to wrap up this bike first. Before I get into that, this guy's taking up my bench. a whole bench, my couches, everything, everywhere. It's, it's a lot of pieces, these deckers. It's a lot of pieces. Anyways, feel free to drop me a line in the comments. Tell me where you're from. Tell me what you're all about. Why did you come here? What do you want to learn? And in 24 hours, check back in the comments to see if you are a lucky winner. And I think that's all I've got for this one. I don't think there's anything else more to say. Except for maybe, quit staring at me. Alright guys, and until the next one, as always, like, follow, subscribe. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Cheers. And for any of you who are interested, feel free to slide on by the Spreadshirt page. Give me about a week and we will have the Air Force uniforms up and running. And there's always the traditional BloodShot army for those of you who are more grounded. And don't forget, we've got the beginner series, airbrushing hacks, and project tutorials. Tell the world the BloodShot army is here to spray.